sign up for Western Union, you can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, right? So here I already have the app, so I'm just going to open. From the home screen, select More, then select Register, complete your first and last name, an email address and a password, and then select Continue. Here they are asking for a phone number to verify your account. However, you can skip that option and select Verify with email instead. Select Request Code, and then once you receive the code in your email, you're going to provide it here. Enter your verification code and select Submit. And then in order to send money, just go ahead and hit send. Here you'd specify the amount of money that you want to send. Here it shows how much the recipient will receive. For the delivery method, you can change it from a Visa debit card. Note that this is the fastest option. When you send it to a Visa debit card, it will deposit the money directly to the bank account that is attached to the card, and the recipient will get the money instantly. Now to bank account says it's instant, but I don't think so. Mobile wallet is definitely instant, and if you're able to send to the MasterCard, that option is also instant. So select what best applies to you. Let's say cash pickup. Then you're going to choose your payment method. Here the default is a debit card. Depending on which country you're sending from, you have various payment options available to you. So let's minimize and continue. Accept the terms. Now here you're just going to add the receiver information. So you can see add manually or add from contact. Let's say we're adding from contact. So if you select add receiver manually, all you need to do is specify the first and last name of the recipient and then select continue. The phone option, the phone number is optional. Now here you specify your card information to make the payment or whichever payment method you selected, and on the next screen you'll be required to provide the recipient's information. So whether it's gonna be their first and last name and the address they are picking up, if you selected cash pickup, or if you selected deposit to Visa card, you'll be required to just specify the card number, and then once you specify that information, you'll be able to hit send, and that's basically it. No, I do not want to send any money at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you the general steps and how you can go about sending money using the Western Union mobile app.